In this video, we will be demonstrating and discussing the most recent changes to 911inform.com, particularly the updates that will affect the end user. Before we begin, let's point out the page on our site to keep yourself informed of all the most recent changes. The changelogs can be found by clicking your username and clicking Changelogs. Here you can see the most recent updates and even look back to previous updates if necessary. Now let's take a look at our most significant changes for March of 2024. First, the new address validation form. The latest enhancement to the Buildings page is an option to input more detail when validating a building's address. This form includes prefixes, suffixes, and directional identifiers for street names and numbers, in addition to the normal address line 1 and 2 information. To toggle these more granular inputs, simply click the button labeled Use Detailed Address. To go back, click Use Standard Address. Let's move on to automatic importing and registering of phones. Using this update, you can now import a list of phones and simultaneously register their locations, all in one step. First, navigate to the Import/Export Data tab and select your organization. On the table dropdown, select Create and Register Phones. Best practice is to click the Reject Unknown Rooms toggle and then set the column position to match the fields in your spreadsheet, and then choose your file to upload. Because you have chosen to create and register phones, both functions will be performed as soon as you import your file. Next, let's discuss a very exciting feature added to our Active tab. Organizations now have the ability to upload instructional videos related to gas, water, or electric shutoffs and embed them directly onto a map. This functionality is meant to save time in an emergency when shutting off gas, water, or electric is necessary, and especially for someone who is unfamiliar with the process. Videos can be accessed during an event by clicking the button labeled Toggle Map Icons and checking the boxes for the desired icons. Once the icons are toggled and appear on the map, they can be clicked to load the video. The videos are uploaded to the building design page and then associated with a particular icon and placed on the map at the location of the desired gas, electric, or water shutoff. Organizations can use whatever video they see fit and change them at their convenience as necessary. Let's take a look at what we've added to the building design page. For those of us who frequent the building design page, we've added some functionality to simplify mapping and save time when editing existing rooms in a building. With multi-select mode, users can now select multiple rooms at once and either delete them or move them to a new floor with a single button. Another function added is the ability to reflect an object, either vertically or horizontally, when creating or editing a room. These are the first in a long list of updates coming to the building design page. In this latest release, we've also added improvements to anchor data, bandwidth webhook, and public API, not to mention bug fixes for the buildings page and notification page. Thank you so much for watching, and come back next month to see what else we've added.